Hi, Brian here, coming to you live from Castle Rock, Colorado. Thank you for joining this channel. Today I want to talk about home charging on a Tesla. I'm a proud owner of a 2021 Tesla Model Y, which I just purchased about a month ago. Funny story about this is when I first purchased the Tesla directly from the Tesla website, I picked it up in Loveland, Colorado, which is about 75 miles north of here. And not knowing anything about EVs or Teslas or anything, I said, when I first picked it up, I says, well, where's the charging unit? Because, I was going to do the home charging. And he says, well, it doesn't come with one. So I would say, well, what am I going to do? I'm just 87 miles away from my home. But, it was pretty much fully charged, or 80% charged, and it had like 250 miles of range. So then I was educated about, well, there's these supercharging stations where you can just charge your Tesla. So for the first week of ownership, I had to travel to Tesla superchargers and get my vehicle charged. So when my mobile connector, I ordered it from the Tesla site. It's a mobile connector. They call it the mobile connector because you can take it anywhere. You can just unplug it and take it with your vehicle and charge it. Well, it comes with two connectors, one for a 110 and one for what they call like a 240 volt connector. So at first I just started charging with my 110 outlet in my garage, and that worked because I drive about maybe 20 miles a day at the most. So on a 110 charge you get 3 miles of range per hour. So if you drive 30 miles, for example, that's going to take 10 hours of charging to recharge the vehicle. Well, that was working. The only problem is if you go, say 100 miles, well, that's going to take, you do the math, that's going to take like 24 hours or more to recharge. So you run into that problem. And also, I found out with my 110 outlet here in my garage, I have several other things connected to it. My garage door opener, even my furnace is on that same circuit. So when all those are running, it would basically break the circuit because, it would just overload the circuit and the breaker would engage, and, so I was running into that problem. So I went with the level 2 charging. I'll show you that. So so I had an electrician come out and run a cable from my circuit box, which is luckily located just 3 feet from where I wanted the charger to go. And so they ran a circuit and put in what they call a nema 1450 outlet in my garage, and that's hooked into the adapter, the 1450 adapter, into my mobile connector, and then I just plug that into my vehicle, and I'm getting 32 amps of charge as opposed to 12 amps of charge from the 110. So, and I have it start charging. I have it set to charge every night at 12 a.m., which is when the electricity rates are at its lowest level. So I'm only paying like 13 cents per kilowatt hour to charge. And that converts, just to give an example, yesterday I drove approximately 100 miles, and I had to charge 24 kilowatt hours, which converts into like what, $3? So it cost me $3 to fully charge my battery that went 100 miles. So that gives you the idea of how much less that would be if you're driving a gas-powered engine car. Thanks for watching.